Hi guys, welcome to this video about what you can do when you have problems with your power supply for your dash cam. So I'm going to show you what happens when I turn on the car. The dash cam starts, or it should start. Yeah, now I hope you can see something. It's a little bright. So it turns on, and after a short time it asks you for either choose a PC camera or storage. I can't see it, so I think it's storage here. And yeah, whatever I do, I mean, yeah, there's no chance, there's no way to set it dash cam mode. So I can only choose really PC camera or mass storage. And so why this is the case, so we have here the power cord. It goes into the this compartment here, I mean, and so I've been using, I hope you can see that it's a little bit dark. So unfortunately I don't have any light. Oh, here's the light. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, here I have the USB plug, and the thing is, this is not only a power cable, this is also a data cable. And so because it's USB, the camera thinks this is a computer, and so yeah, the problem is, I mean, the camera, the dash cam came actually with an adapter for the cigarette lighter, and there's no data cable, but here there's also a data cable inside. So what I'm trying to do is, I've bought this thing here, so I'm turning off the light. You can see that there's a USB stick, it's called Defender, charges your device without getting hacked. So I've seen this recently, that something like this is available, and now I'm trying to plug this in between and try to see how it works. So I took it out of the box, I mean, yeah, whatever it is, plastic. So I plug this in, hopefully that will work. Looks a little bit strange, hold on. Okay, it's always difficult when you have the camera in front of you and that you have to do these things. So, and now when I have this, so I turn on the light again, so you can see that here's the stick. The only problem is now when we stick this in, it is a little bit long and it's prone to, you could damage this. I have bought another cable, which is just a cable, not a stick. This will be more safe, but I'm just trying to see if this works. So I'm plugging in now, and so let's see what happens. It powers on. Does it go into the mass storage mode, or like, does it ask you for mass storage or PC camera? No, it doesn't. So obviously the USB sticker, USB thing dongle was able to manipulate the whole thing and yeah, make the dash cam think it's connected to the cigarette lighter and not to a PC camera. So that really works. You see, yeah, I'm turning off the light. As you can see, it's showing the camera and everything working, but yeah, there's a little bit of risk when I put something in, it could be damaged. So I have something else which is similar, but it's a cable, it's not dongle, so it leaves more space, and I hope this will arrive today, and I will try same thing with the cable and see if this works. So, but definitely with the USB dongle, it's definitely able to work, but it leaves less space inside. I mean, it still works here, but you have to be careful not to break your USB plug. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write in the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.